Welcome to Gears Canada, where your adventure is our mission. Our customer happiness team is eager to assist with product-related questions and can even help guide you to the perfect gear for your activity and budget. Reach out to us anytime at 647-400-3081. Elevate your safety with the Gears high-visibility helmet skin, designed to make you stand out. This helmet skin is crafted from high-quality, non-fading Lycra in a patented DAY-GLO neon orange color. This ultra-bright color ensures you or your kids are visible, whether on the road, trails, or ski hills. This increased visibility is crucial for preventing accidents. The versatility of this helmet skin is unmatched as it fits all half helmets, beanie helmets, and open-face helmets, making it a multi-sport essential. So whether you're into equestrian sports, skiing, cycling, scootering, ice skating, hunting, or even skateboarding, this helmet skin will keep up with all your adventures. In addition to enhancing your visibility, this helmet skin also acts as a protective layer, safeguarding your helmet from dirt, dings, and scratches. It's easy to put on and take off, allowing you to use the same helmet skin for all your helmets. When it comes to caring for your helmet skin, you'll appreciate that it is machine washable and quick drying. After washing, it's best to wring it and let it hang dry. Please avoid the use of a dryer or iron. And remember, like all Gears products, they come with our ironclad 1-year warranty. Add to cart and get ready to seize your adventure.